Before this video started recording, the flames weren't coming out from underneath the hood of this Ford that's on fire. I used up 2 of my fire extinguishers and already have made 2 attempts to move this other Ford out of the way of the fire to keep that from starting on fire as well. The owner for the maroon Ford was not around, had the doors locked, and it in park with it in all-wheel drive. So I ended up breaking the first strap.
The wires are getting taut.
It's not even my truck and I'm like ready to cry.
Oh, that's sad. That sucks.
Oh my God. That happened to a car in our front yard. It was like a couple feet from our house. And his car burst into flames.
Losing time!
There's nothing to hook to.
Watch out! Light it up!
Oh God.
That'll be good.
He's gonna pull it. Watch out! He's gonna pull it over more.
That's perfect. You just saved somebody's ass.
Thanks for watching. My next video has the full length of this fire.